this video, I will compare Stripe and Shopify payments to help you decide which payment processor is the best choice for you. So I will divide this video into certain sections, starting off with a platform overview, and after we're going to take a look at the pricing and fees, the ease of use, the best for, and we're going to make a final verdict. So please stay until the end of the video to consume all the information you need to make a good decision. Anyways, let's dive into the video right now. So let's talk about the platform overviews. So what about Shopify payments? Well, Shopify has a built-in payment solution that simplifies transactions for store owners by eliminating third-party processors. And Stripe, on the other hand, is a powerful payment processor that allows businesses to accept online payments with extensive customization options. And let's talk about the pricing and fees. Stripe charges 2.9% plus $30 per transaction for online payments, with additional fees for international transactions and chargebacks. Shopify Payments has no extra transaction fees if used within Shopify, but standard credit processing fees apply based on your Shopify plan. So then it is beneficial to have a Pro plan, for example. But let's talk about the ease of use. Well, Shopify Payments is fully integrated with Shopify stores, making it the easiest option for Shopify users. So if you have a Shopify store, then you will have some nice benefits when you also use Shopify Payments. But what about Stripe? Well, Stripe requires some technical knowledge to set up and integrate, but it offers advanced features and flexibility. And I would say that Stripe is the best for businesses needing a standalone flexible payment processor with global reach, and Shopify Payments is the best for Shopify store owners who want a seamless payment experience without extra transaction fees. So let's make a final verdict between Shopify Payments and Stripe. I would say choose Stripe if you need an independent payment solution with full customization. Go with Shopify Payments if you use Shopify and want a simple, cost-effective way to accept payments. So which one do you prefer? Shopify Payments or Stripe? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.